I-SABC ithi ngabanikela imbadalo ye-R18,000 yangakanye nayo ezakudoselwa umthelo namkha bakhutshulelwe imiholo ngamaphesente 3 engekhe ithonywe emuva namkha amaphesente 2 engekhe athonywe emuva. Kodwana ezakuphekelelwa imbadalo yangakanye ye-R4,500 ezakudoselwa umthelo. I-CWU ithi ngokutholakala kwesitifiketi se-CCMA kuzokuba nemichagalo ema-ofisini we-SABC kizo zolithoba imfunda.
What is still outstanding is where we're going to pick it. You must remember, we're going to pick it in 9 provinces. So for example, in Cape Town, there are 2 areas. There is Parliament and there is Sea Point. We must get the input from Parliament as the landlord to say if they agree with us on whether we can pick it where we suggested we pick it in front of the statue.
Womabili ama-union azokuvotisa amalunga wawo malungana nalokhu okuchiwe yi-SABC.
We are going through the ballot to see exactly how much CWMA members are for the strike. Now, it might sound like a contradiction, but the process we are following here is to enable us to get a strike certificate, and it does not mean we will use it immediately. We'll use it strategically. We will give our 48-hour notice if and when we are going to do that.